It's Good Day Sacramento.
So we got this email this morning from Lexi. It says, what I still don't understand is if we can microchip our pets, why can't we do the same with our children with GPS? The technology is there, and that got us searching this morning to see, well, what is out there? We know they've got LoJack for a car, and the problem with the things for the pets, you know, it's implanted,
right.
No one can see it, but it doesn't, you know, you have to scan it, and that's not practical.
No.
So the question is there something you can put, there's certainly nothing you can implant in your children.
Nor would you want to, I don't think.
But there are some items out there. We found one here this morning, and this one seems to be the best that I found. This is called Amber Alert GPS, and this is their device. It's like the size of a belt buckle. It's not cheap. The price $379 for the device, and then you pay $10, $9.99 a year for the subscription service, and it's something that you can attach to their belt or hide on their clothes somehow or another. And if you're searching for your child, it will find them. A GPS triangulate exactly where they're at. There's a couple other models out there as well that we found.
Yes, this is called Locator Plus Pack, and it looks like it's kind of like a remote, and it comes with these tags. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see. It looks like you attach the tag to the child, and then you're able to kind of, if they go out of the safety zone, then it sends an alert. This one, it looks like it's $150. Doesn't look like there's any extra service.
Right. That one's not GPS. It's more proximity. So like if you're at the park or something and they go farther than they're supposed to, it goes off and then it tells you what direction.
Right.
One other one I found here this morning. This is what the map actually would look like if you or law enforcement was trying to locate into that flashing red dot, and it actually would track your child where they're traveling. This one happens to be in Myrtle Beach is where this particular device is, but it brings up a map like that. So out of all the ones that I looked at, and I don't know one from another, but this one here did look the best, this Amber Alert GPS, and it comes out in May. This is a picture of it again on the computer, and we've got the inventor of this, Russell Thornton, is on the line with us here this morning. Good morning. Russell, are you there?
Good morning.
Oh, good, you are there. So tell us a little bit. This hasn't even hit the market just quite yet. It comes out in May.
It comes out in May. It's been a work in progress here, and we're real excited about it. It's the smallest and most reliable child GPS on the market.
So how does it work? If God forbid, this kind of situation happens, child is missing, and it gets to the point where law enforcement is looking, what do I do as a parent?
It's a true GPS signal. All you need to do is call the device. The device has a phone number. You can call it or text it, and within 60 seconds you'll receive back a text message. The text message will have the address of where the device is, and it'll also have a map link, a URL. So if you have internet on your phone, you can open up a live map right there.
So you would attach this, maybe put it in their bag or on their belt or around their wrist, it looks like, attached to the child?
It's so small, you can put it in their pocket, in their backpack. We have a wrist strap, we have a belt strap, lots of convenient ways to attach it.
Now the problem seems to me that when the bad guys start to know what these things look like, they might look for something like this. How small is this here, and how would you suggest hiding it?
We have a version that's already out on the market. The moms out there, they've been really innovative. I mean, they've sewed this on the inseams of pants, on shirts, on coats. Moms out there, we give them a lot of credit. They're really innovative and creative, and we have the general accessories. But yeah, it's your responsibility. You need to make sure this stays on the child.
This is really interesting. What's law enforcement saying about it?
And so we partnered directly with the Amber Alert system, Amber Alert Global, and so we're so excited. As the founder of the company, I lost my 3-year-old back in 2005 for 45 minutes, and mine's a good story. I found him, but I was minutes away from issuing an Amber Alert. It was a life-changing experience for me.
All right, now this isn't cheap. What's it cost? When can a person get it? Be an extra level of protection. Nothing's foolproof, but what's it cost and when can a person get it?
Well, it costs $379. We have monthly plans starting at $9.99 a month, and it's available in May.
So it's $10 a month.
Product available to ship in May, but we're sensitive for your viewers today. We're offering today only $200 off. So if you call in today, we can pre-order the product for you at $200 off, and our heart goes out to this this poor California girl that's tragic news this morning.
Yeah, well, that's what's got us about this. Russell, thank you for talking with us this morning. Just was really curious about this product, and as parent-to-be and any parents out there are asking, what can we do? And your eyes, only go so far.
Right. I think we've gotten a lot of emails that people say you just got to keep an eye on your child, and you do try. But a lot of times you hear, I took my eyes off for just a second, and so, something like this might just give you a little more security. All
right. So wanted to let you know about that. We will put the information about that company, not endorsing one another. We don't, know one from another, but we'll put that under show information under today's date at gooddaysacramento.com. It'll be there in 5-10 minutes.
Nick Tillman now in the newsroom with the very latest news this morning.
Stories on